The easiest way to bypass ZTE FRP Google verification lock. This full video, just see how I'm gonna show you how to bypass the FRP lock for your Android, be it ZTE or any other one. It works same for them. They both have the option of the emergency option. So the end is like share and subscribe for more content like this.
So now go to the part of the recent. You just hold on gallery and open it. So I will go now for permissions. Go down to the permissions. Click on it. Okay, now here we are. We now go for the three dots. We go for all permissions. So now there will search for settings. So just type the settings. Scroll down, and that's the setting. Click on the setting. Open the setting, and that's the setting. Now click on the open button. So we are going to look for the part that says security. That says security. That is the security screen lock. So there is a screen lock there. The screen lock there is set to wipe. But now we are going to change it to something else. So now we are going to look for we are going to look for something named screen pinning. That is the screen pinning. We just turn it on. Now the access the locks. Now put it. Now what we saw from the previous one when it showed us the input was a password, so we are going to use the same thing password because we wanted to go for the sign. It was asking us for the password, so to go for password here, as you see. So now I've given my own password. You can give your own password different, but make sure it should be aligned together. It should be the same. It should be consistent. So now we're going to go back now to the signing, and let's go back to the signing process now to verify if what we have done is successful or not. So let's continue. Now we go, don't copy. It's going to provide us now the same interface they gave us before. Now this one, now don't bother now. The password if you are from inputting, now you now input it here. And that's just all. The previous password which you better set it on set it here. And as you see, check it info. Let's fix it. As you see, that's it. So that's it successfully. Now just need to click on skip. Just click on skip, as you see there. So now we got that skip. Now you now see skip, yes. So that's how you bypass. So if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscription button. It doesn't cost you anything. Just support the channel for us to keep on posting content that we have. And if you have anything you want to post on, just put it on the comments. Or if you have anything down in the world, you can just put them in the comments. So as you see, I just click on all set and that bypass successfully. As you see there. So that's it. So now I will advise you that when you are done bypassing it, it is better you just go to the settings and remove the previous password that we put when we enter the settings. That password that we put inside the setting when we wanted to bypass it. So go and do that. Thank you for watching.